Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use SOS on Storm 450 black and diamond flashlight. And to do this, first we'll need to power it on. Then on the right you can see the power tab key. You'll need to hold it, and that way your flashlight should start giving the SOS signs. And to maximize this effect, change the mode to the RGB flashlight, and also do this as the red one or any other color is more visible. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.